Hiya! Wednesday! Yeah! That means it's that time again. I'm just cleaning up my chainsaw now because I've been making a new path. We're going new ways. Just up here, this hill here, I'm making a path.
If you think bigger is better, then you might want to think again. 'Cause if less is more, you can't ignore that small gets 10 out of 10. Did you know the world around us?
Because recently, the past 2 weeks, I've got an electro dumper that I'm renting to take all my compost up the hill to Jack's garden. And guess what? We've got a new donkey. He is called Monzi, as in monsoon. And he arrived yesterday.
It's much more than one big thing. It's a lot of little things joined up together that make me wanna sing. Appreciate the small things, the small things. Appreciate the small. Appreciate the small things, the small things. Appreciate them all.
Look, we're still fresh and taking loads of photographs and videos. Sunny and Breeze have got used to him. We had some XXXXXX scenes yesterday. Monty introduced himself to Sunny and Sunny took a big pee. Woo! Everyone's feeling free. The reason why I'm cleaning up now, even though it's still mid-morning, is because I've got I'm taking part in a podcast. Permaculture Vines. Yeah, they started looking for people who working with permaculture, and I suggested myself. So I'm going to have a nice long conversation with Cormac from Northern Ireland in about 5 minutes. But one thing I am doing as well is I decided just coming with permaculture alone it's kind of spaced out and esoteric sometimes. That's what people think. So I also go to school now once a week, and I'm doing the farmer school. So I'm actually getting my official farmer license here in Switzerland as well. You might be asking yourself, a new donkey? How could that happen? Well, we had to say goodbye to Odin last week.
Well, it's not the size that matters. Does matter have a size at all? It gets less and less till nothing's left, like a set of stacking dolls. From all the tiny little critters to all the good deeds you have done.
Ciao, my colleague. Really sad moment, but it was good. Oddy knew he was going. We talked about it beforehand because it was just getting out of hand. It was too many fights every single day. It was fighting. He started fighting with Claudia, and I just couldn't carry the responsibility for Sophia and Claudia with Odin because he just was bang out of order. So he left us the other day. He left the planet, but that meant because Monzi has been planned for quite a while now, but we were waiting until I had finished BU Zoo because we didn't want Odin and Monzi, 2 males, 2 alphas in the same pen. But now Odin's left us, it gave us space for Monzi, so Monzi came yesterday. Let me think, we've had the helicopter 4 times, well 1 time, but he flew 4 times. We've got
good deeds you have done. They add up to something bigger, and then you get the whole in one. So appreciate the small things, the small things. Appreciate the small. Just appreciate the small things, the small things. Appreciate them all.
got loads of food. Our bar's open, bar 61's open.
Granules of sand make up the beach. Beetles and ants, there's more than one each. Think of the littlest thing you can fathom. Is it a molecule or an atom or maybe a quark? What the? Appreciate the small things, the small things. Appreciate the small. Yeah, just appreciate the small things, the small things. Appreciate them all. You don't need $1 billion and a Lamborghini or 20 million followers in bikinis. Appreciate the small things, the small things. Appreciate the small.
We've got some new beer, we've got some new wine. Oh, it's all just fine. But now, like I said, I'm on my way to have a chat with Permaculture Vines. So that's a fine time for me to end this rhyme and say thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for keeping in touch. I appreciate it. I really do. I appreciate you. Right, see you in 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed it.